The oil pan is now out of the Malibu or Impala or whatever you're working on. This is the 3500 V6 engine, and this thing was no joke. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take the gasket off by using a O-ring pick. Go ahead and get that off. Clean it off with a Scotch-Brite pad or a scouring pad. If you don't know what a Scotch-Brite pad is, go ahead and clean it up and go ahead and get it ready for reinstall. And reinstallation is all the steps in backwards. So congratulations, everyone. You saved yourself about $1,500 to $2,000 on this repair. Great job. Was it a headache? Sure, but well worth the money.